Welcome back to Low Budget Motorcycles. Today we're gonna take off this tank, break the bike down, get it prepared so we can get this frame welded back, aluminum welded. Some of y'all probably didn't know, but we got a little crack right above the seams here that we're gonna get welded back. So we're gonna take off the tank and get it prepared and move all them wires out the way. So this way we don't have to worry about all that when it's getting welded. And we definitely don't want no fuel around while it's getting welded. Tissue here. There's fuel spilling. Take these lines off. Oh yeah. Take the two electrical lines off and the fuel line. These vapor lines and overflow lines was already off on the bike already. Alright, we're going to temporarily put this over here, above here, just so we can move the bike around. Have something to hold on to move the handlebars around until, because we're going to have to take this whole front off anyway to change this lower triple tree part. But we're going to tighten this down some, the handlebar, so we can have something to hold on to while we're moving the bike around. And we're going to move some of these wires out the way, so this way when they do the welding, that these wires won't be in the way. Once you start welding, you don't want to have nothing in the way that could possibly mess up any of these lines and hoses. We're just going to just duct tape all this out the way. This way, all this can be out of his way when he's welding. Welding that frame. All these hoses. Screwdriver. Take this hose off. The hose, got some hose. Boom, boom. I have to replace this hose also, because this hose is shot, seen better days. Phillips screwdriver. Not Phillips, a socket. Really don't think I need to remove this off of here, but this is already pretty much broken. Well, just take it off. Like 50 gazillion different wrenches. And the one you need, you barely find it. Shoot. Booyah, booyah, booyah. Bang. Bang, 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 bang. We just move from one thing to the other. Trying to clear all this stuff out the way so he don't have too much in his way when he welding that frame piece back. Now, I have clear access to over where the weld is at, so he can weld it. Disconnect this gauges. Actually, disconnect the hoses from down here. Don't want to have to repay for that again. Gauges, sensors off. Try to move as much stuff as possible. Clear this whole area up. This way. There's nothing in his way when he's welding. Gotta weld that crack. Weld it back. But stay tuned, because once we get that welded, it's going to be full steam ahead. We're going to take the whole front end off, change out this lower tree, which, I mean, it's just missing a stop, it's really, but we want our stuff good. We're not going to sell no half put together bike. Change that out. We already got the new throttle on that side. We pretty much got everything together. So once we get that frame welded, it's time to start building it, putting it back together. Radiator, coolant hose, picking out new fairings and stuff. It's gonna be ready. We're gonna have it on the road by pretty much by April. So sorry for the late video. We are in the process of moving right now. So once we get everything finished with the move and everything, we'll be able to bring more content, bring more bikes. Right now we doing a little something to this one here, the 2016 XG750. Color matching the front fairing on it. They normally come black, but we're gonna try to color match it, give it upgraded a little bit. All the old parts that came off of R6 fenders and stuff over here. But we want y'all to like, subscribe, share, and stay tuned for the big R6 rebuild. Thank y'all for watching. We'll see y'all in the next video. Welcome back to Low Budget Motorcycles. Right here we have a 2013 Yamaha FZ6R. Clean title, blue and gray. This is a little cross between a sport bike and I guess you want to say cruiser slash sport bikes, not sporty sport, but it still gets up 600 cc's. Excuse me. Has 10,000 miles on it. Nice bike.